Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend in crypto. It's really kind of a crappy day. I woke up this morning to some news that is going to affect everybody in FX Master Gold. You might have already seen it. Let's get right to the news here in a minute. Okay, first I just need to say that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. All right, this morning I woke up and looked into my absolute market account to see what happened with today's trades, as the trades are usually finished by now, 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, and my account has $5 in it. Should have had like $650. Immediately, the first thing was I thought that somebody hacked my account, stole my funds. But then I looked into the trades, and there was, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades today. And as you can see, every one of them was a losing trade, including this one right here, where I lost in one trade. I lost $423. I'm awful sorry about this, guys. If any of you guys followed me into this project, it makes me feel bad both for myself and for any of you that followed me into this project. I'm sorry. I really thought that they would have had stop losses or some kind of loss protection in place, but apparently not, because I lost every single bit except for $5 of my account from $650, and I got a feeling, and there's a lot of people that have lost a lot more than that. I know the FUD farm just had a video the other day where he had $15,000 in and was putting another $5,000 in, and I got a feeling he lost every bit of that. And a lot of other people too. But it's crypto, and you take chances on these projects. So I'm going to show you. This is the announcement that FX Master Gold gave us. They said, today, as every time, we use the same strategy to deliver good results week after week. However, since New Year, the market is very unstable due to the economic situation, the war in Ukraine, inflation, etc. But usually they don't take trades on bad days. They said, per our strategy, today should have been bullish, but it wasn't. And their biggest reason was, unfortunately, the most difficult part of Forex is to control your emotion. Today, one of our traders kept buying using a martingale system instead of calling it a day and closing the trades, which was a serious mistake. If you want to go into their Telegram, if you're in the project, you probably already have. You can read this announcement. As a result, we have had our first negative day in margin call since we started this strategy, and it is a shame. Yeah, it really is a shame, because you guys lost probably millions of dollars for traders copying you because of one of your traders. Yeah, they're talking about coming, they're going to they're going to, let's see here, what does it say? At this point, we need to think about our strategy and come back with a better risk management. It is always a key rule for us, and today one of the trader in the market did not apply to it at all. We will come back stronger than ever very soon. But the thing about it is, nobody will copy them ever again. So they might as well just close down, because nobody will ever trust them that's heard about this. I won't put my money into this again. One thing I am glad about, that it was just a few days ago, I actually had over $1,000 into this account. But I made a couple $100, and I pulled about 600 out to put into another project, and I'm so thankful that I did that. But as it is, I ended up losing $650. And the these are the risks you take in crypto, guys. I'm sure all of you have. I'm sure everybody in crypto has lost money through scams or whatever, or what have you. I don't. Everybody's calling this a scam or rug pull or what have you. But I'm not so sure about this, but because the people of FX Master Gold, I don't think, unless for some reason they're like tied to absolute markets or something. I don't know. It's really hard to tell, but they didn't have control of your money. Absolute markets does, and this was lost through bad trades. But who knows? It's hard to say since this broker isn't regulated, except it's an offshore regulating entity that regulates this company. So who knows what happened? But yeah, I will probably never use anything like that, do anything like this again. Yeah, it's just, you go into these things after, they've had a good track record of months and months and months. And so you feel fairly confident, and then you get destroyed. I'm having a real hard time going into anything anymore these days, any kind of different situation other than, buying, other than buying coins for the long haul or, for long-term investments. All this DeFi stuff is really hard to get into anything anymore. But anyway, I just thought I'd bring you the bad news, guys. Like, once again, I'm really sorry to anybody that actually followed me into this project. I never did put up a referral link, but anyway, it is what it is, and I really don't know what else to say. But yeah, that's about it for this one, guys. Have a good day.